Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about an Anycubic Max and what I think is probably the best immediate upgrade for this thing. So, this is the Anycubic Kobra Max. I was really excited about this because when I got this, I'm starting to get more into printing some cosplay stuff, and especially like the Star Wars armor, like helmets, like I'm doing my kids' Boba Fett costume for Halloween, things like that. Um, this print volume is huge. So, I'm really excited about this, and I was really excited about this glass bed because this is the first printer that I had a glass bed, and I was like, man, this is going to be great. Well, I was wrong. Um, this glass bed, maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. It sucked, as you can see here. Stuff sticks to it way too well. It doesn't want to come off. Like I said, maybe I was doing something wrong. Maybe I wasn't. Who knows? But I'm getting away from the glass bed. What I think is a must-have update for this is something that I like a lot, is one of these spring steel beds. These are what I have on all my printers currently, and I love them because they're magnetic. You pop this off, and boom, it comes off. So quick, easy update to your printer, and we're gonna do that now. So when you order this, I'll put a link down below. I got this off of Amazon. You get the spring steel plate like what you saw there. You get one of these magnets. And so we'll peel this off, we'll get this on here, and then we'll do a bed level, and we'll calibrate. We're gonna be ready to rock and roll. So what I'll find with installing these that you can do that really makes a difference is when you put them on, let's go to the back and just peel up a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean like, let's say this much. Look at it kind of like putting on a cell phone, one of the covers on your cell phone. Kind of get it lined up. When you got it nice and square where you like it. Don't quite like that. This way you can pull it up a little if you don't like how it was on there. But usually I'll start like in a corner here and get that corner kind of square on both sides. I'll kind of bring it down here. It's okay. That looks good. It feels good. Kind of press it down. Then you can, let's see now. Yeah, it feels pretty good. So once you do that, you can just kind of pull this out, just like on one of your cell phones. Kind of get it, make sure you're still lined up where you want to be. I think that's pretty good. Boom. So that's on there. Just kind of give it a good rub. Then you can take the spring steel plate and just kind of put it on there. And kind of get that lined up too. But boom, like I am a fan. So I also recommend you wash this with soap and water, whatnot. But we're ready to do some calibration here. So one of the things you're going to want to do, raise this up a little bit there, is we will go into prepare, we'll go to leveling, we'll go to auto level, and then what you do next is you put a tool, it's like right on your thing till it says honing. Once it says honing, it'll do its thing. Then it'll auto level. Like I said, just take a tool, like either an Allen wrench, screwdriver, or something metal, and then let it do its thing. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let's print a Benji. We'll go ahead, we'll get that going. We're set up. We'll see how it does. Alrighty, so take a look at that. We got our test print done. It's our classic Benji. And let's see now. Oh, snaps right off. I like that. You see how silly that this little thing looks on there, but yeah, we can let me focus this. There we go. But the Benchy turned out pretty good. So that's it in a nutshell. There'll be a link down below. I recommend this upgrade, everybody. Thanks for watching.